the process of change, how psychological change occurs. It is often said that it is harder to move from the conforming child directly to the free child. Most people with some form of emotional problem are conforming to some directive they received many years ago, and as a result of that they suffer a whole variety of things such as anxiety, depression, and so forth. The goal of psychotherapy is for people to release themselves from the conforming child position and move into the free child position. The free child position is where the person is no longer constrained by the messages and belief systems that they developed many years ago. It is harder to move from the conforming child to the free child. It is easier to move from the conforming child to the rebellious child and then over to the free child. What in essence that means is for someone to change psychologically, they need to go through a rebellious phase. That is a period of disruption and unrest, a period of disharmony. Now, there's nothing unusual about this. You can look at what happens in societies. Societies have revolutions. When there is significant change in a society, that can occur via a revolution. What is a revolution? A revolution is a period of considerable disruption, lack of stability, and change in the way the various societal structures operate and relate. So human personality is no different. If you take the stability, the person who's in the conforming child, and put it through a period of disruption, then there is more likely a chance that the person can reorient themselves after that period of turmoil and be more free in terms of not listening to or being controlled by early messages. So what I'm saying here is that change in psychotherapy usually occurs with, rapid change in psychotherapy usually occurs with a period of disruption. It is not really feasible to do that in a incremental, non-revolutionary type of format. That does happen, and I'll talk about that later, but the most common, I suppose, form of psychotherapy is to move from the conforming child into the rebellious and disruptive and unstable phase of the rebellious child, and then over to the free child.